Heshe Ghana mpanifo ewom sa abrante muso NDC ni so de sika bo NDC fo se den. But me no krasam ne se niemo ye no enye. Se mu
for aha Ghana TV GH, make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for nipa baku on serious. Baku. Ultimately contradicting ni home. Anyway, anyhow. She say, I say, Okasa, he does not have a recollection of things he has said and commitment he has made. Unfortunately for us, he is the first gentleman of this land. And it hurts me to say that because Bible has said, say, you should give respect to people in high offices in authority. And to me, Nyanka, me nkasa. Bible for let's be truthful to ourselves. The man contradicts himself too much. Wo, in fact, asema Ghana Jollof akano. Some way, somehow, no, side with her. Now, let me say, I don't condone with a fraud, Debbie. No, I believe in working for whatever you have and relying on the grace of God. She said, the way I made you, Mama, now Mumubi, mutimi frame me, say, oh, the voice we are there, my mentor, your data more. The voice we are there, we shut a reba kudodo, my mentor at a dear more. And yes, sir. And he said, see, Gana nibi aye bibia. No problem. Emra ewo hono. In fact, emra no any daily. Me kada say Debbie. In fact, emra no any daily. But for a president that is telling you on one hand, say, a slave trade, a slave trade, our obisa reparations. And when our president make his speech, now back into the country, a branch be a friend of Butrika. Na court sanction a branch and say yemfa extradition yemfa no nko US na yemfa US mano nindino. Something is wrong somewhere. Something is because mekaya a bra sa Russian guy be a oba o man yema obedi yema no it is basa call no. Sam George obejana no say o obe making sure say sa branch obe baha obe answer to the laws. When Ghana wrote to Russia, I said na Russia for kai. I'm say hey yenye idea sa to us Russians, every Russian is important to us, whether the person has committed a crime or not. And there is no way yet I Russia for no ebe jai any palma say munin in kodi. Debi. That is what Russia told us straightforward. That is a country that knows what it is about. And yet near your mama koye ever you it. You are saying one thing, you are doing the other. Don't we have fraud laws in Ghana here that ebeti media prosecute abutrikano? Yanibi. Anka extradition in Yasemu. I don't have an issue with extradition. I don't. Clearly, frankly speaking, I don't. But because of the posture of the current president in India, don't say what you don't mean. Unim say America is a superpower. You cannot stand in front of America and refuse America anything, any request they make. And yes, sir. So don't try to create the impression as though you have a seat at the table. Because clearly you don't have any seat. You are not respected at the table. You are not even asked to speak at the table. enough of the way NDC for a man penny acted to say they are still in the campaign mode. My campaign new my campaign new. My campaign new. What are you talking about? Oh.
Heshe Ghana mpanifo ewom sa abrante muso NDC ni so odni sika bo NDC fo se den but me no krasam ne se niemo ye no enye se mutimi hwe nyame ani pa de akwala we ko US ema brofo ne ne kodi ani se mo agimi pa wo na mo gimi na no oten mo agimi ama me dwe mo ho a adenti akwala no mu kokunu ahu abrofo ikwa mo de afa so no na sa akwala no obo kro no no obo no abrochire ho ana obo ne Ghana ene mo fa no ntumo Ghana we no ma me ne papa sori o makohwe o made mo de ne kwa akoma abrofo no so mbe ye ne den o awrade do Mahama se mo nim na mo de akwala we kwa mo de mo jimi no mo ga mo na mo nya no ade mo ade no adimi sa yet krom na abrofo se China se Russia ni bema ebe di nkrofo krom ha do mo deja beto so Asam George say wa kwati na Russia president apam na Asam George ne kwasi abetena ho ye de mo de ye de ne kwa mo chibi pa
kwanya no mo wonu bo Mahama
na unim mamenka bibi na nshi Ashanti region for Mahama ekwaji sika ebeka che Ashanti region say kwakwaji sika ewo Turkey na sa sika no de okwaji wo Turkey no de ba be si a second national theater Kumase Mahama 1 oso wakwaji sika o ongasa afi no mo yeru loan akwaji o say omatimi a secure a friend say a loan from Exim Bank in Turkey. Normally, Baby see a friend say a theater Kumase. Any young Savino. Now, you know Ashanti region for only Marcus. I am most of the time, Ashanti region is soon. And a lot of the people who migrate from the north near the north, no be settle. Be settle no mo tena kakra no mo wo ne ade no mo from ho Asante for. What I say, into dodo na so ye pro NDC. Into omo ye dodo sa na dodo na anya pure Ashanti se na yes ano. Omo mo di am akwan hu nyina chi yes ano man dodo na ye firɛd say. Those northerners ne Voltarians ne other tribes no ma better na Ashanti region no mo yes ade. Cause Asantini meka jero say abedro down ho na ye ne saying say na me hwe video
Nti Subana what water region
is it this one Sewa Hospital ye bibia wo John Mahama ba ho last year
Asantia
exactly
why also
it's that kind of mediocre lifestyle no ye bibiki to NDC ye bibiki to bia
what do man don't turn in children like muso twimi
no ko kuta Asantidi India but me don't say you no mba ha no ma betenta Asantidi ato mo so
nti why else want to man don't turn in children like muso twimi na vi ongwale mbevi
Marcus opacho
no won't know why you need to know ongwale mbevi
this omakon hine ye dey sana make an NDC for I like NDC omoye bibiki to e bia wo the way they will hype it and
yeah
amen ade yapa na Marcus wa boss yo na nwumre wa ma sabe kafra me dina kra bomenum MPP for ye nya obia mekan asem so ni pot se mere wakwadu otese bayira poka na wei okasa kire the whole MPP party na ya no ane say na me dante sorry 1 minute me me hu ade bi na Ghana fo ye ni brefo ye mu bi na ye ya ho ya ene ye ne inti amemo ye say
Yama bribe mwana. Amemo ye say. Yen titi omaini sika enfama muni. Menye ni sa memo sa netie. Sa abaino shush Sam. Sa abaino etiti sika mamudi. Na osesa mudi go payroll so. Opinion leaders. Journalists no mu bi. Hifo sofo no mu bi. Ani CSOs no mu bi. Me pa cha wo. Ni esese ye ho a na ye hu. Okofe sika no wo he. No de abetu adwuma ye foka. Enti anasama senyama akusu yegusu kan dan test biebie ni emeni no. Sika na ye de betu adwuma ye foka no. Eno na odwanfu minhro sika he. Ode ma sankofo idiyo. Nti ode ma omu wi sika na bi we he. No de atu adwuma ye foka no so ma koma no atum. Eno ho na yeti. Nemo akwa na wa ye selilipot no krachi kan wanu tum. Na wo kura de nka ya tete na nka wo ye de wo adwale sika ya no. Me de ma no asi.
Why yesterday me you know no one yadin on dim musuwie na la yare
na no a me
hwe won fansa mbado one man do no what to no chire leg busunjim no we gwa na la we gwa la befi
oba da befi leg busuntwe de wo waka na tenten kura
no already
maybe the any say
na enyuma amfante nta me pia fan
maybe the any say
amfante fanche yi obi ba man do no we twana asra wo da afro ba come on go via kada na easy question say we group why is all the woman do we twana asra wo tira afro hey
Marcus say maybe the any say such people it is not and yes Oman who say Mahama bibi esumbo e washanti memo but omo the any say I have benefited personally from Mahama. Inti Mahama yade. Na me yare na Mahama behwe me. Inti Mahama yade. Na me yesi na Mahama ma misika. Inti Mahama yade. Name the collective good of the people of Ashanti region and the collective good of the people of Ghana. They don't care. All that they need is the person has been good to me into yade. But in fact, yenisa. Now betiti a friend say, ubi a betiti painting. Now nim the emia. Sound kwala no mokoye no o ma kusu nim say dida da nyina visual arts na ne sa ne ma no hia for ma ya na yes ayu because it's ka for ma no de no ba kwa science what I say o no ba kwa science business ya de visual arts ne ya de no usual o ma she da nya de obi si me nka so mo nyina bon nya sa no meti nya sa na person ka but ye ko secondary school nya if is o mo ye visual de o ma she da ntwa obi si hia for ma na o mo ntu e no mo ye sa visual arts ne ya de no. Initially, and I'm telling you, some color of Mujina,
initially it was
some color of Mujina, a friend say, but for a full free, I'm sure a couple of them, and about one of you be, but for a coup for the free SHS, and quit him and go secondary school be drop. I'm telling you, some color now Mugurin, I am telling you, say, but for free HSS, and a couple of them, one about one and say, be Mujina or more draw more show more talents. And can you cover the free HSS now? And keep your mammy ain't mean Jessica and Tom so from GSS to secondary school. Na mo moti ho na na janto aye no ho na hwene say a friend say Mahama shoe moti ho na mo nyina ma ade no mo koye nkola no koye de I must confess me I'm a lover of art. I must confess the design and everything, but they try me say it is not even your initiative. Obi na share say my who say even your interchange is quite say to me